Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to repair this box of these Foster Grant fold flat reading glass box. Yeah, that's a problem when you have these boxes. They tend to fall apart, but there's a solution for that. By the way, if you don't have a pair of Foster Grants fold flat and you need reading glasses, so it's definitely worth to give this thing a try. It's really interesting how they work, how flat you can fold them. As you can see, they are almost full size reading glasses, and you can just push them inside the box and just close it, and it gets super flat, and you can store it wherever you want in your pants or whatsoever you have them always with you. So they are a little bit expensive, about 25 bucks, but they are definitely worth it. So I'll put down the link also to these readers into the description. So now back to the box. You have two metal pieces here and one here, and they tend to fall out, and then you have the situation something like this, where you need a metal piece like here on this side, and I've been looking for quite a while to find something, and now I found this thing here. I just found this by chance, a 20 gauge wire. So they come in straight pieces, but of course it's a little bit difficult to find them. Maybe you can find them at Michael's, I don't know, craft store, but you can also use a normal one, which is like on a roll. No problem with that. If it's a little bit bent, you can straighten or still use them, no problem at all. Here I'm just using this one and showing how to do. You have to cut off a piece, maybe an inch or so in length, something like that, and then we go and close it and go to the back and push it inside. Hope you can see that. It's a little bit difficult behind the camera. Hope I can match everything. So we'll push this down here. Yeah, maybe I could have made this a little bit longer. The thing is, so as you can see, it now finds resistance, and the thing is, so you have to push it down. I don't do it too hard because now I don't have a workbench here, but I'm just doing a little bit with a small hammer. You can use different tools, maybe even the pliers which you've been using to cut whatsoever. Just push it a little bit down. I'm not doing this really too much here. I would have to do it outside or on a workbench. Really give it a little bit of a hard push down, and then it will stick somewhere here. And when you think it is stable, doesn't move, won't fall out anymore like this, now it was not strong enough, I have to push down after that a little bit stronger, and just what's left you cut off with these pliers here, and it should come out really flat. I've been doing this on this box about 2 months ago, and it was working really well. So I just took it out to make this video after I had this really good experience, and I found that it is a really nice working solution. At least it worked for me, and I hope it will work for you too. So I will put down the link to these reading glasses into the description, and to a nice roll of 20 gauge crafts wire in silver. It's cheap. I found this for $5 or $6 on Amazon. You can use it for other stuff as well. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe even better solutions, would be really good if you could leave a comment. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.